Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Rode Wireless Go. Now this is the first generation. They have a second generation which is newer, but I've seen many people have problems with that, and this one is slightly cheaper, even though it's not a cheap device. I'll leave a link in the description if you decide to purchase. So on the front you just have Wireless Go compact wireless microphone. This is the world's smallest wireless microphone set. On the left side of the box you have the picture of someone using it and then just logo. On the back you have everything included. So you have a receiver, transmitter, 2 fur dead cats, 2 USB Type-C cables, an SC4 cable, and a carry pouch. This one is a 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission. It has a 7-hour battery life. And then right here on the right side it says it has a built-in microphone and ultra compact. Yeah, because usually there was like a pull tab, but I don't see any here. Alright, so in here we have the dead cat. So we have one right here, a second one right here, pretty high quality. Right here we have for your cable for your camera, and then right here we have some poison. We have a user manual and safety information. We have a carry pouch for travel and stuff, very nice. The inside is non-scratch material. And then here is the devices itself. So Wireless Go quick start, so really cool. Here it is. Wow, very small. On the top right here you just have the quick information on how to use it. So here it is. This is the transmitter, and then this is the receiver. Very small. We'll put this to the side for a second. We're gonna take out the cables. So right here we have a USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable with the cable strap. And we have another one right here. These are pretty thick, high quality cables. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of them in the pouch at all times. The other one's gonna be here. So here are the devices. Here's the on button, digital display right here, DB, and the little link button, so sync it. Here you have the charging and the output for the camera, or technically you could use this with the phone, but you need a separate adapter. For here on the transmitter you have the on button, also the sync button, and you have the indicator statuses, so the charged. You have the output for microphone, so you can use your own lavalier microphone. I'm going to be testing the onboard microphone and my own microphone. And then on the right side you have the charging port. Really simple, very compact. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. We'll be back. Alright, testing. This is the video test / audio test of the Rode Wireless Go microphone. I adjusted the dB. It's at the lowest setting right now. So just let me know how the audio test sounds. This is what it sounds like. I'm just gonna show off some stuff here. So this is my little setup here. I'm gonna go ahead and show off the bokeh background. So this is the quality so far. I don't have it on an overhead shot yet, but I will go ahead and do that in a bit. Alright, we are recording on the Sony ZV-1, and I adjusted the audio within the camera settings, which I didn't do before, but this is what it sounds like. Whoops, that's a different video. But the audio on this sounds really good, to be honest, and I'm gonna have to mess with it a bit more to be able to get it a perfect level. But so far it's an amazing microphone. Does really well. We're also going to adjust. This is the microphone, by the way. It's on right now. So if you can't hear me that well, that's probably why. It's at the top. It also has an output for an external microphone, which we're going to also use a lav just to be sure. So I didn't like how the lav sounded, so I'm not going to go ahead and include that. But so far, I really do like this microphone. Like I said many times, it replaced my Blue Yeti, so I don't have to use that anymore, which is really good because I free up some more room. Anyways, this is my new lighting, and if you want to see the video, stay tuned. It'll be my first video made with a really good camera, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.